Welcome to this video. This is a quick video on how to use a spreadsheet that I made for work. So if you don't work in the same place that I do, this is going to be pretty useless. I suggest going to the search bar of YouTube, typing JOKO space MAIN, Joko Main, and that will take you to a list of all my tutorials that will be a little bit more helpful. For this video, so I can move this to be a little bit more centered. Let's say I have 100 parts that I've ordered in January. Well, then that means I've got 100 available. And I've got 100 parts that I did not use in the month of January. So this row keeps track of how many parts I did not use for the month, and this row keeps track of how many parts I'm currently not using. For the needed, if I need 50 parts and I haven't consumed any, then I have 50 parts for the month of January that I need but have not used. And note that any of these rows can be deleted if they're not actually needed. If I use 25, then I've got 25 parts that I needed. If I use 26, then I've got 24 parts that I need for the month of January that I have not consumed. So if I say 50, this goes back to being blank. If I need 50 and I use 75, then I've got a negative 25 needed, but it still keeps track that I've got 25 parts available. If I need 125 parts and I only have 100 parts for the month of January, then I've got 125 that I haven't used because I haven't consumed any, and I've got 25 that I need to use for next month. So this row keeps track of how many parts I need to use next month. If I order 25 parts next month, then I've got 125 parts available because I haven't consumed anything. So if I need 125 parts and I consume 125 parts, I have a total of 0. And if I get rid of this 25, then I'm 25 parts behind for my total amount of ordering. Now I've got 0 available. If I order 300, then it keeps track of how many parts I have available. And this will continue as far out as I want to. I can order 500 parts, and then I can order 0 parts, and I can order 25 parts, and it just continues how it is. Finally, if I neglect a 0, then I get this weird formatting thing where I've got 750 parts available in March and May. So if I don't have any parts being ordered, I just add a 0 and the format becomes correct. Hope this answers questions and solves problems. Let me know if it does not. Otherwise, please subscribe and I'll catch you next time.